Sasta PPF mat karao. I'm tired of saying this again and again. And this probably is one of the best cars I've seen in the worst quality PPF possible. Come here, I'll show you some things in the PPF. Highlight of the PPF is that there's some different product installed here. This is the panel without the PPF and this is the PPF. Forget yellow, it's turned brown. I have not seen this degree of damage on any car so far. Coming next, the installation was done by amateurs. Amateurs can't handle such a vehicle, and you can come here, look in close. They have cut the headlight with the blade. This is pathetic. It's a very expensive car, and there you can see these blade marks all over it. Blade marks all over here. Secondly, they don't know how to install the PPF, or there was something going around with the installers, but you can come here and you can see how they've cut the interiors. This is not a job that I would pay a single penny for. So please do not go with cheap installations, cheap shops and cheap products. The customer is not also aware of which product is installed in the vehicle, so that is something of a concern. Always know the product that you're installing. So let's take you through the process of how we remove a bad PPF, do a paint correction and actually install a good quality PPF. Stay tuned. So come with me, I'll show you what happened. So when we removed the paint protection film, it damaged plenty of the parts. The clear coat was completely damaged. Like you can see the front fender, the two doors right here, the rear fender on this side, the boot, the complete clear coat when we were removing the PPF was damaged and we could do nothing about it. Coming here, again the rear fender was damaged. We were able to save the hood, the two doors, so we don't have to repaint those sections, we can do a simple correction. So let's show you how the pros get the job done. Because the vehicle is repainted, we are going to follow a sanding step. So what we do is here, we cut a portion of the excess clear coat to get the fine finishing. After the sanding polish, we are going to do a two-step paint correction treatment. Paint correction treatment is nothing but of 2 to 3 steps of buffing and 2 to 3 steps of polishing. This is done to bring out the best in your paint finish, the most brightest glow that we can achieve in the paint. Post this, we are going to skip directly towards the paint protection film installation. So like I said, this is how the pros do it. We have achieved a complete fine quality of the paint right now, and after achieving the final finish that we are happy with, we are going to preserve the shine with a paint protection film. So application goes like this. First we measure up the vehicle, measure up the roll, cut the roll as per the measurements provided. We don't believe in pre-cuts because pre-cuts leave a lot of gaps on the edges. So we tend to do bulk cutting to give you the most finest finish possible. Our goal is to install a PPF in such a manner that it should not be visible at all on any line. So we tuck in all our parts like you can see. And when we use our blades, we are super careful. All our installers are minimum of 7 years of experience in the industry. We do constant checkups on the installation skills to make sure your paint is not cut, because that is the last thing you want to do to a customer's vehicle. The next time you plan to do a paint protection film, don't go with the best, cheapest deal possible. Go with the most experienced people. Number one, the product has to be right. You should know that you're getting a proper, genuine warranty on the product. Number two, the installers have to be skilled. People can do it for cheap, but they compromise on installation. We've just shown you a practical result of what a cheap installation looks like, and you can see the after results of what our installation looks like, and you can do the comparison yourself. So next time when you are getting a PPF, don't go for the cheapest deal possible. Go with the best product and the best installation. That's a bonus tip for you. If you like our videos, please hit like, subscribe, and do share this video to someone who needs a PPF.